you want to see how to achieve this look? Stay tuned. I'll start by visiting Stargirl here, and I'm happy to be shooting this video today. As you all can see, I already started parting my hair. I'm about to style my hair in preparation for tomorrow's service. I really don't know why I'm hyped. It's so early in the morning. But yeah, I'm happy to be shooting this. So you're gonna be needing your tail comb, your white tip comb, and of course your gel brush. Also gonna be needing a bobby pin and a clip pin. Gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as much as you'll require depending on your hair. So yeah, I'm gonna first off smoothen up the parts already started cutting. As y'all can remember in secondary school days, Chiku and bays, so we're gonna be cutting out our bays. You also want to make sure that that line is straight and properly cut. So please ensure that while following the steps. Now I'm gonna be twisting the base up so I'll be able to pack my high bun. I'm combing my hair. You're also gonna need your slick brush. Remember, my hair is relaxed, guys, freshly relaxed. So if you want to have a proper slick, you should add gel and go in the same motion. I'm trying to ensure I don't cover my pattern right there. Make sure you pack your pony for your high bun in the middle. So I'm done, guys. This could be a hairstyle. What do you all think? Comment down below if you could rock this. Anyways, before I go into the swoop bang, I'm gonna be doing my high bun rather. To achieve the high bun look, click on the card right now for quick and easy steps. Now onto my swoop bang. Make sure you comb through. And you get your tail comb and comb better. Right there, I'm trying to open up my pot because it's being covered up. Now I'm gonna take my slick brush. If you're using gel, you apply your gel and go in the same motion, pressing down with your hand and slicking it down till you get your desired look. Now I'm gonna pin down my hair with my hair clip, ensuring it's secure. And I'm gonna comb off the excess into my pony. Now you adjust your swoop bang depending on how front you want it to be. So I'm gonna go off camera to do my edges, the side edges, and I'll be back. So I'm done, guys. As you can see, now I'm gonna be showing you how you're gonna tie your scarf. Remember, we're starting our hair in preparation for tomorrow. So you're gonna fold your scarf into two. And you're gonna make sure your scarf covers your edges and your bang. You all know how to tie a scarf. So I'm done. If you sleep rough, add an additional scarf. This is me preparing to go to bed. Good night, guys. Morning, guys. So like I'm done having my bath and I'm about to show you all the results of me sleeping overnight with my hairstyle. So this is it. As you can see, my bun scattered a little bit and my bang pushed up a little bit too. So all you need to do is comb it down and adjust it. But trust me, if you use gel, it's gonna stay right in place. Remember, I didn't use gel on my hair. And you're just gonna align everything to where you want. And you're good to go. So you can see my edges are still there. Side edges scatter a little bit. But we're gonna fix that. Yeah, guys, we're done. This is how my hair looks. I hope you all enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.